get your hand, leave your worry on the doorstep. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear a pitter-pat? And that happy tune is your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with my blues on parade, but I'm not afraid. This rover is crossing over. If I never had a cent, I'd be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny, sunny side of the street. In the shade with my blues on parade, but I'm not afraid. This rover is crossing over. If I never had a cent, I'd be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny, 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 on the sunny, sunny side of the street. I love the cool blue waters of the deep blue ocean. That's my extra favorite place. Those luscious cool blue waters with that rolling motion, making with the spray in my face. You'll never find me a moping for a cow that needs roping. I do without it just fine. And as for golf or for hiking, they're just not to my liking. Brother, pass me the brine. You keep your dry, dry land, but I've a crazy notion that's nowhere for people to be. I'll take the cool blue waters of the deep blue ocean. That's the only place for me. Riding alone by the rail, leaving the foam in our trail, watching a lazy old whale flipping his floppy old tail. Then for a nightcap, make mine a white cap. I love the cool blue waters of the deep blue ocean. That's my extra favorite place. Those luscious cool blue waters with that rolling motion, making with the spray in my face. There's mighty few places finer than the great sea of China, for seas it captures the cake. And though I've no special mania for the Mediterranean, it's a fine little lake. You keep your dry, dry land, but I've a crazy notion that's nowhere for people to be. I'll take the cool blue waters of the deep blue ocean. That's the only place for me. We'll have a blue room, a new room for two room, where every day's a holiday because you're married to me. Not like a ballroom, a small room, a hall room, where you can smoke your pipe away with my wee head upon your knee. We will thrive on, keep alive on just nothing but kisses with Mr. and Mrs. on little blue chairs. I wear my trousseau and Robinson Crusoe is not so far from worldly cares as our blue room far away upstairs. My trousseau and Robinson Crusoe is not so far from worldly cares as our blue room away upstairs. Away upstairs, I wear my trousseau and Robinson Crusoe, not so far from worldly cares as our blue room away upstairs. Life is what you make it, and you can make it what you please. Things may go wrong, but just you never mind. It's all in how you take it, and you can take it on the breeze, leaving all your worries far behind. Living is easy when you know what to do. Everything depends on you, so get it up on the line. Living is easy. Turn the gray into blue, give it a slight rosy hue, and everything will be fine. It's a cinch you'll never win at either cards or romance if you don't know life's a gamble and you never take a chance. Living is easy. Keep your troubles on the run, always chase 'em out with fun. Man, it's finer than wine. You'll be all the better for your struggle and strife if you never mind your neighbors, but be sure to please your wife. Living is easy, so easy. Bala-zoo-zay, bala-zoo-zah, bala-zoo-zah-zah. Keep your troubles on the run, always chase 'em out with fun. Man, it's finer than wine. Living is just a happy holiday when you mix a little work with a little bit of play. Then life is really, really fine. So live it. John worked for Joe in the corner grocery store. Business was really, really fine, fine, fine. John was a slicker, liked to play around with dough. One day he came up short on the line. Hey, John, put your glasses on. Must count better than this, you know, when you work for Dead-Eye Joe. Oh, John. Come on, come on. Hey, John, put your glasses on. You know stuff like this won't go. 2 from 8 leaves more than 4. Whoa, John, come on, come on. Your salary is 10, your bonus is $15 to boot. Yet every week you're stepping out in a brand new $60 suit. Whoa, John, keep your glasses on. Must take a little, I do agree, but you must leave some for me. So, John, come on, come on. The business is fine and everything's moving right off the shelf. Yet I know I was making more dough when I was working for myself. Hey, John, if you don't keep your glasses on, you're my friend and I love you so. But somebody's got to go. So, John, come on, come on, come on. Business got better, John got worse. Joe sold the store and put it in